Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Inner Hill Tarot, and today we're going to do an unboxing of Kitty Kahane Tarot that's being republished on 2021 and have it back to back with the original Kitty Kahane Tarot from 2006 that firstly published in 2006. Yeah, the reason I want to do it because I tried to find a video of giving the comparison of these two tarot deck, but no one did it, so probably actually it looks the same or not, I don't know. So that's why let's try. Okay, and with the Kitty Kahane, the new one, I have it new, so I will unbox this, and later on I will give my personal view. It's not a hot take because it's published last year, 2021, and both of this deck I believe is made in Europe. Yes, made in Europe. This one as well, I think. It didn't say. Okay, so before we do this, if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, because that's now the perfect way to help me growing my channel, and I really enjoy doing this work. So any feedback, any comments would be really highly appreciated. Okay, thank you guys, and now let's do this. Let's start with the silent flip through. Oof, it's really not easy to open this box actually. It comes with nice guidebook as well. I believe the old one also have a really nice guidebook. Let's see what is the difference between this and the old guidebook. The Magic Mirrors of Kitty Kahane Tarot, and this one is only say Kitty Kahane Tarot. All you need in 60 pages. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Seven sprayed for daily use. Okay, that's very interesting. What about the new one? Oh, the same. The Magic Mirrors of Kitty Kahane Tarot. A tarot for 21st century. Beautiful book actually. Wow, there's an improvement in the guidebook actually. Okay, because this card is still open this. Beautiful. Okay, for the sake of knowing which edition it is, how should we do this? Maybe we put the box here. here, and this is the old first edition that's still available for sale in some places, but the one that hasn't been opened is very expensive. So that's the difference. It has the old one so far that I see has the information of Kitty Kahane herself and the additional card, the World of Tarot. Okay, but cardstock feel, it's almost very similar, to be quite honest. And okay, the wording is different as well. You see, it is quite different. The backing is the same. What about the card size? The card size is the same, so the font is different. Okay, so let's start the let's start this. My old copy doesn't have the Justice card, so it will be only the new copy. I'm sorry guys, my cat is really curious. Is it almost the same size, but not really, isn't it? Yeah, it's like 1 millimeter difference. The new one is 1 millimeter short, I think. I'm sorry, it's starting with the pages here.